Alright guys, I'm playing FNAF. It's a new game. So yeah, let's go ahead. First night. This one got out the way for some reason. I want to get out the way. I make it go full screen, I forgot. Oh, and I reset the game back then. How do you... Alright, because I'm gonna play like this. If you wouldn't mind, says 69 customized, but because my brother body and he completed the whole game. So let me play now. Alright, shouldn't be that hard. Alright, there you go. Now let's. Oh, I hate the little thing. It's part of it, the. Oh, just leave it like that. Alright, mute it, I don't care. Camera 11. Should be able to be worried about nothing. There's only like one character, that should be all. I think I'll be able to try like 2 nights on this one. And you look ugly and musty, dusty and crusty. And don't mind my sister screaming in the background. She's getting mad at the game. You know what would be cool? Like, if the animatronics could like hide in like these bathrooms right here. Oh, that's the hallway. Like these bathrooms, and we could like just look at it. Like, just watch them look at us. I'm nothing to figure out right now. Second night when Fox sneaking and the other people come. The sixth night's gonna get what's that? Oh, sixth night's gonna get insane. Yeah, like right here they can like go into the animatronics go into these like restrooms and like hide in there. Hmm. They should give us like a better view. Oh, why is it red? Oh, okay, that message. Okay, that's being cool. Why are they like that? Yo, Balloon Boy, I hate you. I should be using my flashlight a lot. It's already 1 a.m. And maybe in the future, if I get a better computer or laptop, PC, whatever, I'm trying to get one that supports HDMI so I can connect my Switch. Maybe play like some Brawlhalla or whatever it is. Thief Simulator, if you guys know what that is. Oh, poop. But, no, but I can make a new account. Yeah, I can make a new account. So, like, the YouTube. But yeah, I'm trying to do like a live stream. So hopefully, y'all guys can help me watch it. Yo, custom boy. Wait, that thing says every conquest note. Oh, you can. I don't like someone moves like out the way. Oh, this is so disturbing. Like, look at it. I don't like the full screen. Oh wait, it goes down already? Okay. Oh no, someone's over there. Wait, that hard. It's Foxy. Okay, it's Chica. I don't have great experience with Chica. One time she left already, did she? Forgot the popcorn. Oh god. Oh! Hey buddy. You gotta keep an eye on the hallway and 2 cameras. Alright, the first night I did not have these to move. Okay, she's already there. Alright, flashlight's almost dead. Can you let go away already, please? I'm gonna get jump scared. And do it on the first night. That would be disappointing. Oh, not above there. I need to only to that movie right now. Oh. Hey, can you go away, please? I gotta keep an eye on Chica. Alright, wait, stay still for a second. What? It's 4 a.m. Alright. I think the only one is Chica. Oh, they're both away. Okay, I've never had Freddy come before the first night. Oh god, where did Freddy go? 5 a.m., come on. I wanna die. I've never had all of them move at the same time. It was only like Foxy. Like the other people. Oh. I wonder if like I know how to speak Spanish, cause like I don't want to cuss in English, but like I know how to cuss in Spanish. What if like Eddie VR gets like claimed or oh god, please go. Wait, I wonder if like Eddie VR gets claimed for saying cuss words in Spanish. I'm not sure. Like I know how to speak Spanish. Alright, I'm not trusting this. Everyone do like what Eddie does, like VR, but like too broke for that. No, but yeah, and okay. I don't have space in my room, but I'm gonna be moving soon, so I'm not sure. No, 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 please. Nah, probably because I'm going slow because of this. Hold on. Okay, if that's there. It's right because I hung Freddy's nose. That's all. I heard. No, no, I removed it. I don't care. I heard that my friend said. I think that Foxy should be moving. I know. Alright. Try to make this video as quick as I can. So yeah. Oh god, my ears playing music. I also found like this random game in my computer. So I don't know like what it was. My brother doesn't even know what it is either. I showed it to him. He doesn't know what it was. Like Five Nights at Zulax Clown, something like that. I tried playing but I don't know how to play. There's like a bunch of buttons. Imagine it's like how to explain it? Like let's see, how can I explain it? Imagine if it's like um Ultimate Custom Night. Well, like it's no wait, there's 2 floors, I forgot. Oh like Jollibees. Just imagine like Jollibees. There's like an underground sewer system on that. And stuff like that. What? You wanna use a computer? Yeah. Oh. Don't even ask. Okay.
And then they said if I didn't camp, they would win. But the girl was camping there since 12 minutes
Okay.
ago.
Oh god. I don't like what these strings are for, honestly. Oh god, it's afraid so. Someone's right there. It's 1 a.m. I have 5 minutes left to record. So let's see. No, I'm charging my phone. She's not gonna call me. I'm not gonna answer. I'm charging my phone. Probably like right here. Yup, both of them are like always. Well, not until. No. Third time. No. Try to call the house phone.
No.
Yes, because I don't want it to come up. So? I have to charge my phone anyways. I'm too lazy to do it. Oh god, Foxy. They're all on me right now. I think he's gone. Or probably another automatic track game. Okay, no, he's gone. Oh, hey there. Oh god, I heard that. You heard that, right? Oh, I never had mango. They're in the vents. I heard them. They're all here. No. No. This can't be happening. Oh, get away. Your busty looking self. Oh god, Foxy's there now. We can mango in the vents. Okay, someone else is here. I heard that. Give me a break. It's 3 a.m. No, stop. Why'd you do this? Please go away. No, I'm dead. I am big dead. I bet Foxy's right there. I hate you. You can't do anything when this guy comes now. Ah, no, please. No, I think Foxy was there when I came. Oh god, that scared me. Oh my god. Huh. That's fair, they're all ganging up on me. It was first Bonnie and Chica, which I was okay with. Then Foxy came, but then he left. And Foxy I think came again. And then he left. And Mango and then Balloon Boy. It was like a huge raid. Oh god. No. It's mostly 3 or 4 a.m. Alright, I'm gonna leave the video here. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you want. And yeah, well, thanks.